trying to impress you with all of my talents and skills. Look me in the face, think about the problems that split through my life. Finding that you played in all the days when you and I crossed the line, and I've been laughing the day you picked up and apologized for the everlasting war of my feelings and sleepless nights. I think I'm fighting over you. I think I've maybe gotten through and spent the last months breaking down in tears and fear that I'll lose you. I think I'm fighting over heaven. Took a while, but now I'm smiling through. Putting my skin on my neck. Want you. What was it for? And the war, and the war, and the war, and the war. And just live our lives. You'll break up with her and maybe I will meet someone who actually